Hey there folks, it's Dub here, and I've got the Cairn 2019 January, I would say box, but it's a bit more of a bag. And that being said, I'm not sure how much I like or dislike that. I'm not sure what the environmental impact of these bags versus the box is, but as a mystery, kind of box with these bags, you can kind of feel what's inside, and I'm not sure how protective they are, but nothing's come broken yet in any of my bags, so we'll move along with 2019 January. All right. And I can feel some kind of a cylinder in here. I don't know if it's going to be a container and a water filter or what's going on, but let's get into it. We'll figure that out. Let's see here. All right. Usually they've got that little pamphlet. I was going to get that out first. Well, can't find it. We'll just dig in. Some bubble wrap here. What is this first item? This is Roughwear stash bag pickup bag dispenser. So if you're taking your pet out for a walk, I guess this has, I can feel something inside of it here. Let's see what it is. Yeah, there you go. You got a little roll of these bags, so if your dog's having an issue, or if you just happen to see some trash along the way or just need a bag, there is a little baggy dispenser right there. Cool. Very handy. If you got pets, which I've got a couple. Ah, here it is. Here's our Cairn Scout. All right, so it says build your base. We'll get you a look at that there if you want. On the other side. And there it is. So moving along. All right, the cylinder. What was that here? Oh, okay. This is instant bone broth. This is chicken and cardamom spice. A nourishing gourmet treat to... a treat mix to create your own homemade broth. All right, that could be interesting. I'm not sure how those necessarily go together, but regardless. All right, and there's some kind of a food here. This is 4 points. Real food, slow burn, macro rich and delicious energy bar. So this is Trailhead gingerbread. It says 13 grams protein, 31 carbs, 11 grams fat, and 5 grams of fiber. Let's see if we've got the... All right, we'll hold that one up so folks can check out the nutrition facts if you want. Showing 260 calories. Dried plums, figs, whey protein, cashews, hemp seed, almonds, walnuts. So yeah, we'll give that a try here. Is there anything else in there? Nope, just the little bag itself. All right, so this is kind of an odd bag. I'm not sure. Well, maybe it's all. This is gotta be people. This that says the Honest Kitchen. It shows a little dog and a cat. Is this supposed to be for people or? I'm not even sure. Have to look into that. Makes 10 cups of broth. Human grade. I am confused. Instant harmonizing, aromatic fusion. Ah. It's super for a pup or kitty. Okay. Yeah, alright, so it's a bone broth for your pets. So I got a pet soup, and then a pet, something that rhymes with soup, and then a bar. Well, let me know what you think. That one's a little bit interesting. Alright, well, this is Dub signing off. Catch you on the next one.